Alright, let's go up to 4. Today we're at Home2, North Las Vegas, Nevada. These are 3300s. Look at that lighting. Looks interesting. Alright, let's go to 1. Look at that. Never seen anything like that before. Those are your buttons, FIGS. Gear cab view, nice elevator. It's your indicator, FIGS. Alright, let's go up to 4. Going up?
Second, yes.
Second?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look at that layout. Alright. We're gonna go to 1 and we're gonna get off there. Let's go to 1 and let's get off there. Well, here we are. Well, but anyways, there it goes. That's it, and bye.